Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on how Korean girls never get dark circles. Do you ever watch like K-dramas or watch Korean actresses or even know about the Korean skincare routine? You know that their skin is flawless. So if you suffer from puffy eyes, dark circles, dark under eye bags, this is the video for you. I've also teamed up with Clarins to share with you guys my best tips and tricks on how to get rid of puffy eyes and dark circles. So if you want to see what they are, just keep watching. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Alright, let's get started.
Cleansing, of course, is a huge part of Korean skincare, but the 1 minute rule is what I like using. After cleansing, remember to apply serum within 1 minute. This avoids the skin from getting too dry and allows the skin to absorb the products better. Now let's move on to the eyes. The Clarins Double Serum Eye is great to help smooth wrinkles, reduce puffiness, and dark circles. It also strengthens and protects the skin around the eyes. One of the biggest tips I've learned from Korean girls is that they apply eye serum day and night. Mama Chu always said to me that if you want to get your dark circles under control, you have to keep that area hydrated because once your skin gets dry, it becomes easier to get fine lines and wrinkles. Next up, you want to apply a multitasking serum as a base, and that's why I love the Clarins Double Serum. It acts on 5 vital functions. It helps regenerate, oxygenate, gives nutrients, hydrates, and protects the skin. To apply, you just warm it up in the hands and apply pressure points across the face, over the forehead, and around the neck. The serum also has great plant extracts like turmeric, green banana extract, oats, avocado, and ginger lily. Following that, another great tip is to apply a cold eye roller. I pop this guy into the freezer, and in the morning when my eyes are a little bit puffy, I just apply all over the under eyes, and it helps with the puffiness so much. If you don't have an eye roller, you can easily use an ice cube and put it in a plastic bag and apply over the under eye. Next up, a great tip to keep your under eyes hydrated is using under eye masks weekly. I do this twice a week when I feel like my skin is getting really dry, especially in the winter months. Apply and leave on for 15 minutes and then remove. A side tip is you can use your fingers and do a quick lymphatic drainage massage around your eyes to reduce the puffiness even more. A new technique that I've been seeing Korean girls use are microcurrents. So basically you apply a gel over any areas that you want to diminish any fine lines or wrinkles, and then you use a microcurrent device like this one and apply it in circular motions in each area for about 3 to 5 minutes. Doing this weekly can help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And last but not least, don't forget to apply sunscreen on the under eyes as well. Sometimes we might forget this area, but it is super important because it is a very thin area of skin which needs protection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!